Hello viewers at home, hope you are good, hope you are alright. Nice meeting you again, coming to this channel. And if this is the first time of meeting me on this channel, this is Yoruba Gbode, where we learn about Yoruba language, Yoruba literature, and of course, Yoruba culture. Just a channel for us to come together to entertain ourselves, to learn and to know more about Yoruba and its culture. But for today, I want us to go straight to learn how to speak and write Yoruba as a language. And in my other videos, I have discussed about Yoruba Alphabet, where told you people that Yoruba, like any other language, has its own alphabet and it's just 25 in numbers. We just have to learn this alphabet. You just have to know it, to be conversant with it if you want to really know how to speak and write Yoruba language. That is just our start. That is just the beginning. You just have to know these letters, and then we divide it into two. What are these letters? Yoruba alphabet. They are A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. This is the alphabet. Now, for you to know how to speak or write, you just have to know that this alphabet is divided into two. We have the consonant sound, we have the vowel sound. Now, when we now bring the two together, the consonant and the vowel will give us a meaningful word. What are the vowel sounds? Out of all these alphabets, I circle out the vowel sounds. There are just 7 in number, and these 7 can still be divided into 2. We have the normal vowel and we have the nasal vowel. The normal vowel are A, E, I, O, U. 7 in number. Now, when we now add N as a consonant sound, we bring N out and we add it to vowel U. We combine the two together, we give you it becomes a nasal vowel. Now, from this normal vowel of 7 in number, we bring out 5. We add that N to it to make it a nasal vowel. Like we have A, E, I, O, and U. 5 in number. When we now place N to it and we pronounce it, we give us a nasal vowel. That is E, I, O, U. All of these I have discussed in my earlier videos. So if you are just hearing it and it seems as if you don't really understand, I just advise you to check my videos on alphabets, division of alphabets. You can sit down with me there, learn it properly. But that is our foundation, our introduction for today's video. Today, I want to talk on how to combine consonants and vowel, or vowel and consonants to give us a meaningful word. If today is the first time of meeting me on this channel, do well to subscribe or give it a thumb up. Well, let's go to today's video. We want to see how we can form a letter and two-letter words to give us a meaningful word. My name still remains the same. I am Oluremi Afolabi. Now, our vowels still remain one letter. A, E, I, O, U. We can start our words with either of all these letters, or our consonant sounds too can be the start of our words. Like I want to say A, O, Lo. A, a letter vowel sound. O, a letter vowel sound. When it comes to that Lo, that is the combination of a consonant Li plus O. We pronounce it Lo, Li, O, Lo. And you can see now, already you have started speaking Yoruba language. A, O, Lo. A, O, Wa. Let's see. A, O, Lo. We shall go. A, O, Lo. We. A is a plural form. O, Lo. We shall go. Now, A, O, Wa. Wa. How do we get Wa? That is the combination of we plus A, a vowel, matched together. Wa, we, A, Wa, we, A, Wa. And when we now want to form a sentence, simple sentence, A, O, Wa, we shall come. A, O, Wa, we shall come. Still using this letter A, O. Let's look at another word. Suppose we want to say A, O, Je. What is Je? To eat. A, O, Je. Je, eat. How do we get Je? That is the combination of G, a consonant sound, plus E, vowel. When we combine the two together, we give you Je. A, O, Je, we shall eat. Or let's look at another short sentence. A, O, Sun. What is Sun? Sleep. Sleep. Now let's look at that Sun. For example now, that is the combination of consonant C plus nasal vowel. U, Ni, Sun. Consonant C plus nasal vowel U, When you now pronounce the two together, it gives you Sun. A, O, Sun. Let's go over the three words we have discussed. A, O, Lo. We shall go. A, O, Wa. We shall come. A, O, Sun. We shall sleep. You can see that it's so easy to get, to really understand how to speak or how to write Yoruba down. Once you can master your alphabet very well, that is why it is so important to master your alphabet sound. You just have to know your alphabet as a beginner, then be able to differentiate the consonant sound from the vowel sound. The combination of the two will give you a meaningful word. Let's look at another word. Fe. That is consonant fi plus vowel e. Fe. Fe. Like to. Love to. That is in Yoruba language. You see, English language we say like. English language can say love. In Yoruba language, like, love, we use just one word for it. We say fe. Fe. Now let's use it as a sentence. A or mo fe mo fe I like it. In other words, that's why Yoruba is an accent word. If I begin to put accent on it, it can give me another sentence. Mo fe it may mean I love you. But let's look at it, narrow it down to I like it. Mo fe let's say that 3-letter words. Mo. How do we get mo? 2 words. Consonant mi plus o. 2-letter words. Mo. Fe. Fi plus e. 2-letter words. E. Vowel. Mo fe I like it. My friends at home, you can see it's so easy to learn Yoruba. We are still on 2-letter words. How to form a meaningful word. With that word, we use it in a simple sentence. Like we have talked about. Lo, wa, sun, je, fe. And now we can use it in simple sentence. Word formation. Word formation. Combination of consonant and vowel to give us 2-letter word, a syllable. Just one. Friends, are you enjoying learning Yoruba language? It's easy. Just know your alphabet. A, O, wa, a, o, lo, a, o, su, mu, fe, e. Let's look at another sentence now with this idea of the letter we have discussed today. Mo, ri, I see it. Mo. Combination of consonant, vowel. Mi, o, mo. Ri plus e, that is consonant and vowel. Ri, e. Something that I don't mention the name. E, mo, ri, e. It has name, but I just don't want to mention the name. That is what we call pronoun in English language. The word we can use instead of a noun. It has a name, but I don't want to mention the name. I say mo, ri, e. I see it. I see it. We are on 2-letter words. Formation of 2-letter words, which is the combination of consonant sound and vowel sound. Well, friends at home, this is where we are going to stop for the day. I hope you find this video very interesting and useful. Please join me next time, still on grammar aspects of Yoruba language. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up if you like it, share it, like it, and then as you do, more and more of our videos will be coming your way. Still remain your friend, Oluremi Afolabi. Bye.